Moto Edge 50 Ultra Blankflash Files folder has been updated. The folder now contains Blankflash files that work for Moto Edge 50 Ultra devices running on Android 16. So, what does this mean? Well, it means if you have got a Moto Edge 50 Ultra that is hard-bricked, you may now download the Android 16 Blankflash file for the Moto Edge 50 Ultra and run the files just as you would normally do and unbrick your device using the files. Wait a second, if you find this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. If you are new to this channel, you are more than welcome to our community. Subscribe. Now, how can you access the Android 16 Blankflash files? To access and download the Blankflash files that would work on Moto Edge 50 Ultra that is running on Android 16, you need to have subscribed to the dedicated ArykTECH Unbrick Files repo. And if you are already subscribed to the repo, first, you need to log onto your Mega Cloud account. Once you are logged on, go to your Mega Cloud account's shared items. In the shared items folder, you should see either of Starter Pack or Hyper Pack. What you'll see here depends on the folder you are subscribed to. Regardless of the folder you see here, open the folder and you should see Blankflash Files and Patched USF Firehose Files folders. Open the Blankflash Files folder, and from within the Blankflash Files folder, locate Moto Edge 50 Ultra Blankflash files. To learn how to navigate Blankflash files for various Motorola devices from within the folder, see the video here. Now, what if you are not subscribed to the ArykTECH dedicated Unbrick Files repo and you wish to access the Moto Edge 50 Ultra Blankflash files? That's even simple. You can just visit the link that is contained in this video description. That link takes you to a page from where you can access all the available Blankflash files for various Motorola devices. Thank you for watching to this end. Once again, if you find this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. If you are new to this channel, you are more than welcome to our community. Subscribe.